everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. As you can probably tell from the title and thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing a health and wellness vlog, like trying 10 healthy habits in a day. I think this will be really fun and kind of challenging. I'm not like the healthiest person ever. I don't have like a regular workout routine. I definitely don't drink enough water. I'm not like unhealthy, but I'm not like super active. Also, I look kind of rough right now because I just woke up. I haven't like done my makeup or showered or anything. I tried to pick 10 healthy habits that are actually like attainable for me and that I actually think I can work into my routine. Really quickly, I'm gonna go through the 10 healthy habits that I plan to do today. I've already done a couple of them this morning. The first one is to wake up early. I woke up at 8, which isn't super early, but I did actually kind of go to bed a little bit late last night. I've been staying up really late watching Shark Tank episodes and scrolling on my phone. I feel like 8 a.m. is definitely a good, like a decent time to wake up in the summer. No phone in the morning. I've only looked at my phone like right now to like for the video. I haven't opened up Instagram, TikTok, anything like that. Doing decent so far. Make my bed, which I've also already done. 2 liters, 8 cups of water, just like the recommended amount of water in a day. That is actually gonna be kind of a hard one, I think, because I like will literally go the whole day and I'm like, I have not drank like any water. Eat a solid breakfast. This is also kind of bad, but sometimes I will just skip breakfast. I'm just not super hungry. I am slow doing my morning routine and then I just wait for lunch. Movement. I recently just got a little walking pad. That makes it really easy to incorporate movement in while I'm actually working and being productive and getting stuff done. 20 minutes of cleaning. I saw this in another like healthy habits video and I thought this was like a great thing to work in. I kind of do a little bit of cleaning in my morning and night routine, so I think this will be an easy thing to do. I feel like there's always something that needs to be cleaned up, whether it's like my workspace after I'm done or laundry. Like there's always something. Journaling. I don't really set any time aside for it. I just kind of write stuff out as like ideas pop in my head. Eating nutritious meals, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into my diet. Lastly is reducing screen time. I spend a lot of time on my phone, scrolling, on my laptop, editing, doing what I can to reduce it, getting outside more. If you were to compare my screen time to my outside time, it's actually sad. That is the 10 healthy habits that I plan to incorporate in my day today. I'm gonna try to do all of them. Definitely see how many you can do and comment below how many of the 10 healthy habits you can do or what 10 healthy habits you would like to incorporate into your routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do, and if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel. Let's just get into the video. It is a little bit later. I just had breakfast. I actually made my yogurt bowl with Greek yogurt instead of like vanilla yogurt. It was not very good at all. I just brought out like a little to-do list for today. I feel like this is really helpful to do in the morning. I'll wake up with all these thoughts of things that I want to get done and all these ideas. I find it's really helpful to just like write it out or even just like type it out in my notes. Just get those ideas out so I'm not like trying to remember them. I like to do a little brain dump and just kind of like write out all the things that I want to get done or all of the ideas that I have. Just wrote out some stuff that I'm thinking that I want to get done today and kind of like some creative ideas as well. Now I'm just gonna get ready for the day, take a shower, do my makeup, do my hair, then I'll feel fresh and ready for the day. gonna be productive and actually get some things checked off of my list. I'm doing a pretty good job with the healthy habits. I'm trying to drink some water. The next healthy habit is movement. I actually just ordered a walking pad from Amazon, and I also just got a standing desk. I did like a mini room makeover, setting up my desk, updating my room a little bit, so I'll link that vlog here if you guys want to check it out. I'm so obsessed with the desk I got. Since getting a standing desk and a walking pad, it is a lot easier to incorporate movement into my everyday life. I don't have to even leave my desk space that I spend most of my day at. I don't have to go to the gym. I don't have to go outside. Like, I can literally just stay right here and get movement in. I definitely recommend if you're a college student or if you work from home, if you just spend a lot of time at your desk, like, it is literally a game changer. So I'll link the desk and walking pad that I have below. With that being said, I'm just gonna get some stuff done. I have like a whole list of things I need to do on my laptop. I'm gonna walk on my walking pad the entire time and get some movement in. Quite a bit later. I actually got quite a bit done. I've been pretty productive. I've been double productive because I got my steps in while I was being productive, so I love that. You know that feeling when you've been looking at a screen for a long time and your eyes just feel so strained and like so tired? That is how my eyes are feeling right now. Like, literally, I haven't even been on screens that much today. My eyes are just feeling very strained. I actually have the perfect solution for strained and sore eyes, and it is this eye massager. I am so obsessed with this. I'm actually partnering with them on today's video. This is from Bob and Brad. If you don't know who they are, they're the most famous physical therapists on the internet. My mom watches their YouTube channel all the time. She literally started singing the jingle when I showed her this. I'm super excited about this because I get super bad migraines and my eyes feel strained all the time from being on my phone, being on my laptop. This is like the best thing ever. I had both my parents try it out and they are obsessed with it. It like massages your temples, and it also has like a little bit of heat as well. So it's like warm and it's like massaging your temples. It also plays relaxing music. Having really bad migraines, I'm like, where has this been all my life? I have needed this. I'm always like laying there like massaging my own temples when I could have just had this. Like I said, Bob and Brad are the most famous physical therapists on the internet. They have over 60 years of experience combined with physical therapy. This is designed in a way that's therapeutically beneficial. They've been featured in Forbes, CNN Health, and a bunch of other publications. This is the Eye Oasis 2. This is extremely quiet. I was a little nervous, like when I have migraines, one of my main triggers is sounds, but this is super quiet. I'll turn it on. That is the most sound that it makes, especially compared to most eye massagers on the market. It is very quiet. It has advanced noise reduction technology. This has a whole bunch of different modes and settings. It has 5 different massage modes, 3 different air pressure intensities, 2 heat levels. It caters to all the different needs, so like migraines, dry eyes, sleep. It really just has all the different settings for all those different things. It has built-in white noise, but it also has all these different sound options. You can also connect to your phone via Bluetooth and play like whatever sounds or music that you want. Since you're wearing it over your eyes, there's physical buttons and like markings on the buttons, so it's still easy to change the settings while you're wearing it. In the heat only mode, there's no voice sounds. That way it's like super quiet and like disturbance free, so if you're trying to wear it to fall asleep, you're not gonna hear any like noises or anything. I get migraines all the time, so I always have like my medicine and stuff with me just in case I get a migraine somewhere. I love that this is super easy to travel with. It folds up like this. It also comes with a little travel bag. You can easily travel with it and take it on the go. The massage is like super gentle. I was kind of worried with my eyelash extensions that it would be a little bit like aggressive and like rub my eyelashes off. It's super gentle and also just like really relaxing. Also the inside of it, it's like super easy to wipe off. So if you get like makeup or something, it's really easy to clean. I feel like this is the perfect thing if your eyes are just feeling really tired, really strained. It just feels like so luxe. Like I feel like I'm going to like a spa or something. Like I've literally never had my eyes massaged before. Like this is truly just so relaxing. I feel like anybody could benefit from this just from being on our screens all the time. Whenever I have a really bad migraine, I'm just looking for any kind of relief, and the massaging part of this is just amazing. I definitely recommend checking this out. I do have a discount code, so you can use code OASISNEWYT to get 10% off. I'm gonna have that link below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link. I think you guys would really like it. I've just been using the little eye massager. I actually just took out my contacts. It does say not to use it with contacts in. My eyes feels so much more relaxed. Now I'm just gonna put my contacts back in because I do have some errands I'm gonna run. I need to go grocery shopping. It is a little bit later. I've been super productive this morning, getting things checked off my list. Now I'm super hungry, so I'm just gonna pick up some groceries for lunch. All I have in my fridge is frozen pizzas from Trader Joe's. I wanted something a little bit fresher, a little bit healthier. I'm just gonna run into the grocery store and pick up some fresh, nutritious ingredients that I can use to make a nice little sandwich. There's nothing I love more for lunch than a big fat sandwich with avocado, lettuce, tomato, onion, turkey. I'm just gonna get all the ingredients that I need for that. Lately, I've been loving focaccia bread with Chipotle ranch. Literally so good. It tastes like a Panera sandwich. I don't know how healthy it is. It definitely has a lot of like fresh ingredients. It's like a nice filling lunch. So definitely my favorite go-to for lunch. Here's my small little grocery haul. I've got some focaccia bread, some provolone cheese, some turkey, fresh shaved from the deli, tomato, onion, and avocado. These were the only things that I really needed. I already have like lettuce and stuff. Self-care. I'm gonna grab a coffee. You have to take a little time for yourself in the day to do something that you like, something that you enjoy. For me, that is coffee. I'm gonna go and get a coffee. I'm actually gonna try something different today. I think I'm gonna get an iced mocha instead of my regular iced vanilla latte. The mocha, I think, will be a nice little treat. I got one of these the other day at like a little coffee shop, brunch place. It had little chocolate chips in it, and it was literally the best thing I've ever had. So we're gonna try one today and see how it tastes, and then I'm gonna take some time to walk outside. I do not get a lot of fresh air normally, and it is the summer. This is the time of year where the weather is good. I do want to take some time to just walk outside, get some fresh air. I think I'm actually gonna stop by my parents' house, pick up my dog, and take him on a walk so we can go on a little walk together, just enjoy the summer weather, go on a little walk.
Did I do a medium iced mocha latte?
I got the iced mocha. It's so good. It's so like chocolatey and delicious. Just like a perfect little treat in the afternoon. It's so good. I feel like I'm gonna get home to that middle of the parking lot. This is so good. I will definitely be getting this again. If you haven't had an iced mocha in a while, you should definitely get one. Literally drinking chocolate, it's so good. Delicious. Even the barista was shocked I didn't get an iced vanilla latte. She was like, an iced mocha? Comment below what new drink you would like to try. It is a little bit later. I'm back home. I started some laundry, so if you hear something in the background, that's what it is. I think we've done like all of the healthy habits. The last one is cleaning. There's one specific thing that I want to focus on. I'm actually gonna clean up my car because my car is like really messy. I just have like a bunch of trash in there. I kind of need to vacuum it as well and just like wipe it down. I feel like my car just needs a good clean. I also really need to water my plants. They kind of all have like yellow leaves. I've been neglecting them. Let's just do a little cleaning. is now clean. My plants are watered. I feel so much better now that I did that. I've been putting off cleaning my car for a while. Like, it has been needing to be cleaned. Like a whole trash bag of trash. I actually have like a little trash can in my car, so it just needed emptied. I had a bunch of like water bottles and like straw wrappers. It's a lot cleaner now. I definitely recommend just taking a little bit of time to clean something if it's just like something that's been at the bottom of your to-do list. That is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to really quickly talk about the healthy habits and what I thought about incorporating them into my routine. I didn't do a great job at all of them. Like, I definitely didn't drink 2 liters of water today, but I did drink more water than I usually do. For the most part, I didn't use my phone in the morning. I didn't really scroll on TikTok or Instagram or anything like that. I just used it for like the purpose of this video. Like, I feel like I was definitely more productive by not scrolling on my phone. I definitely got more movement in today between the walking pad and then actually walking outside. I got more movement and more fresh air. I think my screen time was really low. I feel like I haven't been on my phone at all, and I was just on my laptop for like a little bit. Overall, I feel like today has definitely been like a really good and really productive day. I literally can't with this lighting. Definitely think those healthy habits, trying to incorporate them into my routine and be more conscious of them, definitely helped me to have a better day today. I'm definitely gonna try to incorporate those healthy habits into my routine more regularly. A lot of those are just like kind of pretty basic things, honestly. I'm gonna try to work on those. I definitely challenge you guys to try to do all of these 10 healthy habits. Definitely comment below your results or which ones you need to work on, which ones you already do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to check out the Bob and Brad eye massager. I absolutely love it. It's so relaxing. Literally massages your temples. It's like heated. It plays relaxing music. It's great for sleep. It's great for migraines. It's great for like eye strain, dry eyes. I definitely recommend it. I'm literally obsessed. So you can use my code. I'll have it here on the screen and also linked below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.